Hello, I'm Guy Livingston and welcome to Pinnacle Square, a 33,000 square foot single-story concrete tilt office building located in West Boise on the Emerald Street office corridor. Let's take a look at Suite 110, fronting Emerald Street and consisting of approximately 1,600 square feet in an open workstation configuration. This suite was recently remodeled with new carpet, paint, break area, and internal bathrooms with additional lighting. On the east side of the building is Suite 140, which is approximately 1,920 feet, consisting of open workstation, desk area, a couple of office conference rooms, and break rooms and bathrooms. Here we've got office conference area, copier area, break rooms, and bathrooms. Suite was remodeled completely with new carpet tiles, new lighting, and painting, and is available for immediate occupancy. Adjacent to the suite is a retail center with restaurants, banking, and lodging just down the street. Pinnacle Square, located just west of Maple Grove on Emerald in West Boise, offering new suburban office space with on-site parking at 5 per thousand and fiber optics. Call now to discuss any additional questions or to schedule a tour.